We have a chat sign hanging in front of my face. What's up, Zach?
We have Carlo, and it's his first time chatting into us. He has a question regarding frozen drain pipe, which leads from his parking area to the open trench near the roadside. How can I unfreeze the underground drainage pipe in order to drain out my parking area? I have a pool of water building up due to the recent rainfall in the Montreal area. Thank you.
Okay, freezing. We've had nothing but this all month. Now, this is freezing drain water. We don't. It's not a freezing water pipe bursting in the house. It's just that it's supposed to go out and go someplace. The long-term solution is that there exist heating cables. Now, there are a lot of heating cables, particularly in the hardware stores, that are made for the roof or made for going on top of pipes, but are not made for going inside pipes. But they do exist some that go inside the pipe, whether it's a drain like this or whether it's your water supply from the lake up in the country. And when you put the heating cable on the inside, run it all the way through and make sure that it's right down to the outside edge. That works. Now, I just did a proof that I got the results yesterday on this. I installed one from my backyard, which is somewhat of a swamp, and I only had a foot difference between the back and the front, so I had very little room to move, and I couldn't go very deep down in the backyard. But I have a slope drain now underground coming through that I knew would be frozen. So I put one of these electrical wires in right from the beginning. And I didn't even turn it on until about 2 days ago when it was now needed to be drained. And of course, everything was all frozen up and making the ice lakes in the backyard as it usually does. So as the rain was starting to hit and this was getting worse, I turned it on. I couldn't even find the end because there was a block of ice down by the driveway where it was coming out. So I opened up a little bit of ice around where I thought it was. And my logic was, if this thing really works, it's going to warm all the water in this whole long pipe, and that water will stay warm and will eat its way through the end of the ice block and come out. And when I walked out this morning with my camera and took some pictures of it, I could see the end of the wire. There was an open in the ice, and the water was flowing through and up over the ice and on out. So it is draining the backyard. These things will work. How do you do it now? How do you get that out right now? One of the most efficient ways to get it open is to have a plumber who has a hot water system, like hot steam. And he can start from the garage itself and blow the hot steam right in. Now, if you can get to the other end, it's almost better, starting from the discharge coming up, because now you're not backing water up on the high side, because all of your hot steam is flowing right back out all the time as you eat your way through. Now, if you don't have hot steam and it's not that big, it's not a big commercial thing, you could simply put a garden hose on your hot water tank and run it out there and run hot water or tempered water if you don't want it totally. It just has to be hotter than the ice, and run it in, ideally from the bottom up. If you go from the top down, it'll still work. You need to use hotter water if possible, because you'll end up with a reservoir of hot water. But at least if you keep it flowing there, that does it. But you don't get any backup if you go from the street and back up. And that's the best way to clean it out, because any augers or anything else, you're into ice, you could do more damage to the piping than anything else. Whereas just with hot water, and we're melting it away from the bottom, it may take you a fair while, but you'll discover that every few minutes or every hour or so, you can move the pipe up another 6 inches and up another 6 inches. And at one point, you'll break through and the whole thing will then flood on through. But putting that wire in is one of the best ways to actually do that. Okay? I hope that helps.